Okay, stop what you're doing. What if I told you that scientists just confirmed a new phase of matter that sounds like it was pulled straight out of science fiction? It's called a time crystal. Normal crystals have patterns that repeat in space, but this one has a pattern that repeats in time. So what on earth are they? And why are physicists so excited about them? Let's get into it. First, let's talk about a normal crystal. Think about a diamond, a ruby, or even a simple snowflake. Their defining feature is that their atoms are arranged in a perfectly ordered, repeating pattern in space. Up, down, left, right. Now, according to the laws of physics, when a system is in its lowest energy state, its ground state, everything should be perfectly still, frozen, motionless. That's the fundamental rule. But time crystals, they look at that rule and they break it. A time crystal is a system that, even in its ground state, is in constant, periodic motion. It has a built-in rhythm, a ticking, that repeats forever, without any new energy being put into it. It's a completely new phase of matter that scientists used to think was impossible. So how does that even work? Let's use an analogy. Imagine a bowl of Jell-O. If you tap it, it jiggles for a bit, but eventually, the friction and energy loss cause it to settle down and become perfectly still again. That's its ground state. Now imagine a special kind of time crystal Jell-O. If you were to tap this Jell-O, it would start jiggling, and it would never stop. It would jiggle forever, at a specific, perfect rhythm. It wouldn't jiggle at the same frequency you tapped it, but at a new, locked frequency of its own. It becomes a stable, perpetual oscillator. That's what scientists created in a lab using quantum systems. They took a chain of quantum bits or qubits and zapped them with a carefully tuned laser pulse. Instead of settling back down to a motionless state, the qubits settled into a new, stable arrangement where they flipped back and forth in a repeating pattern, forever. They created a non-equilibrium phase of matter, a clock that keeps ticking in its lowest energy state. So why is this such a huge deal? This isn't just some weird science experiment. This has game-changing implications. For one, quantum computing. Creating stable qubits is one of the biggest hurdles in building a useful quantum computer. Because time crystals are so incredibly stable and predictable, they could be the perfect building blocks for quantum memory that almost never fails. Second, ultra-precise clocks and sensors. The periodic ticking of a time crystal is so regular, it could lead to timekeeping devices and sensors far more sensitive and accurate than anything we have today. A time crystal isn't something that lets you travel through time. It's something even stranger, a new form of reality that has a clock built into its very fabric. It's a breakthrough that could reshape technology and our fundamental understanding of the universe. If you loved getting your mind bent by a topic like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join us for our next report. That's the report for today. Stay curious.